Task 4, Work Area, New Client Prep and Setup of Supplies is a CosmoReady video production. The proctor will read the following instructions. You will break down your work area and dispose of supplies used in the previous sections of this examination. You will prepare your work area for a new client. You will set up the universal supplies you will use for the remainder of this examination. You will also set up the supplies for the following sections of the exam: chemical waving, predisposition test, strand test, highlighting with foil, virgin application, hair color retouch, virgin hair relaxer application. You will prepare your client for chemical services. You will be expected to follow all client protection, safety, and infection control procedures. You will have 15 minutes to complete this section. You will be informed when you have 8 minutes remaining. Do not demonstrate any procedures until the verbal instructions are given and you are instructed to begin. Step back to indicate you have finished. The instructions will be repeated. You may begin. Step forward and sanitize your hands prior to touching anything at your station. Check to make sure the curling iron has cooled down before you put it aside. Again, anytime you come back to your work area, sanitize your hands. Begin to move supplies to their designated bags, whether it be items to be disinfected, your trash, or soiled linens, which is where your towels and capes would go. Undrape client 1 and move her to the side. Once you have put her to the side, you are going to disinfect your work area as if you have a new client coming in. Any of the bottles that will remain out other than your disinfectant and your hand sanitizer must also be disinfected. So that means that you need to spray some disinfectant on a paper towel and wipe down your water bottle, because that is going to be staying out at the station. Once everything has been disinfected, you will pull out the following supply bags: chemical waving, predisposition test and strand test, highlighting with foil, virgin application, hair color retouch, and virgin hair relaxer application. Keep these items in the supply bags until you perform these demonstrations. Otherwise, there'll be too much going on at your station. Next, bring client 2 to your station and proceed to drape client 2 according to chemical draping procedures. You'll apply a towel, then the shampoo cape or plastic cape, and then there should be a towel over the top of the shampoo cape. After you have draped your client, proceed with removing the supplies from your chemical waving supply bag. Set up for your chemical waving service. When you are all done setting up, step back to indicate you have finished. Work Area New Client Prep and Setup and Supplies has been a CosmoReady video production.